Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is Game-Based Analysis of Distributed DoS Attack Prevention Using Puzzle-Based Defense Strategy. Here, security is the main issue when you come under either in networking like cloud computing or grid computing. Here, you're going to find something like security process in cloud grid computing. It means that while request is arise from the server, the request has been allocated in a grid, like in the systems of parallel systems. But we can't. It is very difficult to find when a system is affected with large kind of error. On that time, we are going to find using puzzle-based strategy, that is game-based theory. We're going to find which system has been affected through DoS attacks. When now request arise from the system server, the request has been allocated in the server, so there is in the systems, lot of systems. At last, when at the time of workload prediction, when the time is consumed here, when the system is affected through DoS attack, it is difficult to verify whether system has been affected with DoS attacks or not. To know prevention of this type, we are going to use a claim theoretic approach to find whether which there is a denial of service attacks which system has been affected. Now let me see the process. Before that, we can see about the data flow. Here, first of all, we have to initialize these resources. Then we have to create players. Here, players has been created in order to find whether which system has been affected through DoS attack. When the system level is 0, then we can ensure that system has been affected through DoS level. Then we are going to select some attacks, whether it is ping off with attack or player attack or man-in-the-middle attack. Now we are going to find the affected resource. At last, we are going to find the DoS attack analysis. It means that kind of data, there's a lot of the attacks are there. We are going to inject those attacks through players. If a player won, then the resource has been affected. If a player lost, then resource has been not affected. Now let me see about the process. First of all, we have to run the grid.java. Initially, we have to create some resources here. Initially, I am going to create some resources. Then I have created some 10 grid resources. I am going to create some attackers and number of requests. After creating it, I am going to enter some ID. I am going to attacker ID, and I am going to give in some trace file and job ID and type of death, whether it is ping of death or ping flat or teardrop. I am going to give ping flat. I am going to inject it. After injecting it, I am going to see the player result. So there is no resource has been affected here. Then I'm going for new attack. Suppose I'm giving some other ID. I'm giving some other ID attack and giving type of death. Injecting some attack. Then I'm going to see about player result. So these are the affect results and the resource ID. And finally, I can be able to see the attacker side, server side, DoS attack. It means that which resource has been affected. So there is no other resource has been affected currently. Finish when we can stop the game. Thank you for listening the process. Thank you.